Nanny. Yes, Ozzy.
Yeah, stoked about that. Honestly, that's not even doing it justice. Really.
Oh!
You want another one?
Trying to think it's yours.
You know where everything's from. You want to show me up, don't you?
I think it's just a big nanny.
Oh, you're fucking on it. Holy fuck! That one's fucking the biggest one.
That's awesome.
Xavier's Reaper. Xavier. Fuck's sake, Brady!